A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z, Y, and Z, Y, and Z. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, students? I'm Muhammad Mansha and I'll teach you English alphabet. Last time we learned first 5 letters of English alphabet starting from A to E. And now we'll learn next letter, that is F. And this is 6th letter of English alphabet. Which one? 6. Yes. And its sound is F. Its sound is F. Now, we'll name some things which are starting from F. F for fish. F for flag. F for fly. And F for first. You can think some other names which are starting from this letter F. Yes, please. Anything which is around you, you can observe your room as well. Anything you found which is starting from F? Yes, floor. Floor. It is also starting with F. Now, we'll learn how to write this letter by using dotted lines. Yes? Well done. Now, you can move on to the first block of this page number 12 and try to find out the letter F from this block. You can put your finger on F. Good. After finding F, you can name these letters which are given in this block. Different letters are given. Yes, you have learned. You can name. Good. Now move on to the next block. You can see different objects in this block and tell us the first beginning letter of each picture. Yes. You can use the sound of first letter of these pictures starting with, yes, their sounds. Good.